Hello there. What we have here today, we have Korg MicroKey Air Bluetooth MIDI keyboard. So we're gonna do what we're gonna do today. Unboxing, and I think we're gonna have a tears down, see what's inside this thing. Okay. This is a MicroKey 237 Air. Let's go in the air. So we have something like this. Keyboard. Good packaging. A lot of books, papers. We have here something. Yes, we do have here something. Oh, that's cute. They go with a cable and batteries. That's perfect. And that's it. So this is the keyboard here. What do we have inside here? Say that they are quite okay, nice feeling. They're not clunky, you know. So we have here the connections. We have what is this? A pedal if you want. This is a USB. This is like a classic USB, you know, for printers and stuff like that. And here you have a button. I don't know how to make this to see this well. You see better. You see here. Oh yeah, this one. So you have wireless position and cable position. So this is the keyboard. How do we open this thing? How do we open? Of course, many screws. To be honest with you, I thought that it's gonna be a little bigger. So we have here the battery compartment, I think. Yeah. And I don't know what do we have here instead. Let's see. Let's see, what do we have here? I think this is bye-bye warranty. It was nice to meet you. Maybe this is a little battery or something for memory, maybe? No. I don't know what's this. Okay. So we have the keyboard. Of course, plastic here, no metal tension or something. But the feeling is great. The feeling is great. It's okay. These are the up and down buttons. It's here. These are the oh, this is coming back automatically. Okay, so yeah, not much of a thing here for the pitch and mood. And here, if you see, do you see how this one is staying here? This one, you see? But of course there are many cables here, so what is this thing? What is this black thing here? It's like a USB something. Can I take it out? Oh yeah. Maybe it's the Bluetooth. KBM, I don't know if you can see. KBM1. Let's search on the internet to see. Yeah, so if you see here, this is the Bluetooth Korg KBM1 C module Bluetooth. So if this thing is broken, is not working, here in Europe is like 20 euro. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth model. Do you think that the Korg MicroKey, a simple one, have this thing here without this module? And if you want, you can buy it and transform it in a Bluetooth on Korg MicroKey, maybe. I don't know. Let's put this back here. Glissando, scroll. How do I change here the sustain? Okay. Okay, so this is the keyboard. I think it's a great keyboard. Nice feeling on touching the keys. The keys are smaller, 37. It's okay, you can put it in your backpack or I don't know where. Grab it, your phone, your iPad, or I don't know what do you have there. So, thank you, good luck. Ciao.